So hello and welcome again from Arun Jaitley Stadium, where it was an anti-climax day as far as the return of Virat Kohli is concerned. More than 14 years as far as this specific ground is concerned, because last time when he played for Delhi in a Ranji Trophy game, it was in Ghaziabad. Now it was more than a 14 years wait for the fans, and it somewhere stayed around 12 minutes. He came with the topmost roar in this full stadium. Everyone was applauding. I remember that Yash Dhul dismissal, the LBW appeal. It was going down the leg side, but as soon as it get in favor of the bowler, it was the loudest cheer by the crowd. And there you see Virat Kohli sitting right next to Sarandeep Singh, and he just stood up with his typical trademark style, wearing his helmet and the gloves, and then races to the crease. But after that, what had happened, yes, a little bit of time to take the first run, and after that a cracking shot down the line, down the ground to Sangwan, who in the very next ball, it was like a dead silence after that. On the very next ball, it was an incoming ball, seemed really well, and it was a clear gap between the bat and the pad of Virat Kohli, and it stuck to the off stump, cartwheeling, uprooting the off stump, and there you go, Arun Jaitley Stadium, dead silence all over. And within 10 to 15 minutes, it was like suddenly you are seeing from 8 to 10,000 people to somewhere around 1,000-1,200 people. And there was then, from then, they all of them who have stayed here, they all wanted a glimpse of Virat Kohli. And they were shouting about Virat Kohli. They were shouting his name. Yes, they praised the innings also. The way Sumit played, the way Ayush Badoni played. Tough luck for him, 99 all out, and it's the second 99. It's the second 99 of the day, because Cheteshwar Pujara dismissed 99. Then Ayush Badoni dismissed on 99. Ajinkya Rahane again on 90, somewhere around in the 90s. Upendra Yadav last evening, somewhere around I think 94. So a lot of 90s as far as this 90s, the number 90 is concerned. But after that, what we saw is a pure counter-attacking innings from the captain Ayush Badoni, and he took the charge, just falling short of 100. That was really tough luck for him. But the one thing which I didn't like, the way he threw the helmet, down there at the boundary line, and that was not, because there are a lot of fans watching you. There were thousands of fans who are watching you from day one of this Ranji Trophy game to now. Many of them watching you in the television screens or in the digital screens also. But throwing helmet like that, I know disappointment must be there, but try to respect those things, because you in next 4 to 5 years, 6 years, or maybe from now onwards, you'll be the role model for the upcoming generation, and that's not how you really want the next generation to take the sports, with those kind of pictures. So with all of this, it was the discussion was really about Sangwan, who was there at the press conference. I asked him about the multiple things, about that dismissal, about did he had any interaction after that with Virat Kohli, but he denied about the any kind of communication after that. But yes, plan was there. Yes, he was overcharged because of the crowd, and yes, the celebration was saying many of the things, but right now in a good space of mind, and the way he was thinking, the way he want to operate, the way he want to bowl against Virat Kohli, it was right there. And as the day sums up, yes, Delhi is not in a bad position. Virat Kohli, yes, getting out cheaply at 6, but still this crowd, from the very moment Virat Kohli got out, the remaining crowd always chanted about one name, and that's again Virat Kohli. You can still see there is a lot of crowd down there. You can see the paramilitary, the CRP is still standing there just for the security purpose of Virat Kohli. And as soon as he will leave, you'll see all of them going. So we are waiting for a next morning, because yes, there are chances of Virat Kohli to come back again and bat. At least means, yes, the only option is that he can bat just one more time from here. So let's see. Let's be hopeful that Delhi bowlers quickly get the wickets of the Railways team, and then hopefully we can see Virat Kohli bat again. Till then, thank you so much. We'll give you all the detailed report and the coverage from Arun Jaitley Stadium. And yes, one last part of the evening was he was felicitated, and he was felicitated by the DDCA. DDCA want to felicitate him. The kind of contribution, obviously 100 test matches, best batter of this generation, everything all around. His childhood coach was here. He bowed down to him, Mr. Rajkumar Sharma, and with that, specifically the way DDCA President Rohan Jaitley with that beautiful gesture and giving him this giving him the silver plate. That was the part of what happened in the felicitation ceremony. So yes, that's all from here. We'll give you all the related updates from Firod Shah Kotla. Thank you so much.